the KPIs that control your entire supply chain. What if I told you? Two companies can have the same factories, the same suppliers, the same trucks, yet one dominates the market while the other bleeds money? The difference isn't luck. It's not even technology. It's KPIs, key performance indicators. Today, I'm going to show you the few supply chain KPIs that secretly control cost, speed, service, and profit, and why tracking the wrong ones is more dangerous than tracking none at all. If this is your first time here, welcome. This channel is about real world supply chain mastery, not textbook theory. Let's get started. Supply chain is not trucks and warehouse anymore. It's a living system, and KPIs are its heartbeat. Every late delivery, excess inventory, stock out, or unhappy customer can be traced back to one KPI that was ignored, misunderstood, or misused. So today, instead of drowning you in 50 metrics, we'll focus on one powerful idea: the golden rule of supply chain KPIs. A great supply chain KPI must answer just one question: is my supply chain helping or hurting the customer profitably? With that lens, let's break supply chain KPIs into four battlefield zones. 1. Service KPIs, the customer's voice. Customers don't care how complex your supply chain is. They care about one thing: did I get what I wanted when I wanted it? KPI number 1: on time in full. OTIF measures whether the customer received the right product, in the right quantity, at the right time. Quick question: if your OTIF is 92%, does that sound good? Now imagine telling a customer, sorry, we failed you 8 times out of every 100 orders. Suddenly, it doesn't sound so good. Key insight: OTIF is not a warehouse KPI. It's a full supply chain truth serum. 2. Speed KPIs, how fast money flows. Speed in supply chain is not about being fast. It's about being predictably fast. KPI number 2: order fulfillment cycle time. This measures how long it takes from order placement to delivery. Amazon didn't win because it was cheaper first. It won because it was faster and reliable. Every extra day here equals higher inventory, lower cash flow, angry customers. 3. Cost KPIs, the silent profit killers. Most companies obsess over cost, but measure it in isolation, and that's dangerous. KPI number 3: cost to serve. Cost to serve tells you the true cost of fulfilling one customer order. Not average cost. Real cost. You may discover your best customer is actually your least profitable. If you've never calculated cost to serve, this KPI alone can change your career. 4. Inventory KPIs, where cash sleeps. Inventory is not an asset. It's cash wearing a warehouse uniform. KPI number 4: inventory turnover. This shows how many times you sell and replace inventory in a year. Simple analogy: low turns mean products are sleeping. High turns mean cash is working. KPI number 5: days of inventory on hand. This tells you how long you can survive without replenishment. Too high, you're overstocked. Too low, you're one delay away from disaster. Here's the biggest mistake companies make: they track KPIs but don't act on them. A KPI without action is just decoration on a dashboard. The best supply chains don't track more KPIs. They track fewer but act faster. If this video changed how you look at supply chain KPIs, imagine what the next ones will do. In the next video, I'll show you how world-class companies design KPI dashboards that executives actually use. If you want to master supply chain, not just survive it. Subscribe, hit like, and comment below which KPI hurts your supply chain the most right now. Welcome to the journey. This is just the beginning. This is Kalpana Patil signing off for KSP Knowledge Hub India.